So I am going to Vegas, and by the time you see this, I will have already gone. Um, so I'm going to pack my stuff for Vegas. Right now I'm just packing the outfit because everything else is just simple things that I want to make sure I have practically everything for my outfit. um, I am taking a carry-on. It is the size specified for the airline. I'm going to put some of it in a packing cube because I want to make sure I have enough room. Plus, like if I buy stuff, I want to be able to put it in. Plus, I have this hat. The good thing is that I have the rubber tubing in this hat to put it in, make it easy. So the skirt, love the skirt. I love that I put. I made it very. I have the different layers on it, but it is kind of big. So, which is why I also wanted to get the packing cube to kind of shove it in there. I also wanted to put the little tail pieces that I made in here as well to kind of help fill in that packing cube. If I can. Let's see. Is there room? Let's find out. Because you're supposed to be able to put a lot more. I'm going to just shove it. I'm going to make it work. Okay, that's one side. Let's see the other side. Okay. Is this too big? Probably. Yeah. Oh well. Okay. I'm gonna open it up on this side, and I will stick that in here to kind of help that push that down. I will put my shirt in here, and I'll put my other clothes as well in here. I have to lay this in somehow. Let's see if I can fold those end pieces in and lay this, because I don't want to, because that's the only problem with this one is that I have the boning across. If I had another pair of, well, not that I want to wear another pair of stays, but my other pairs of stays, since they have the front center open, it does make it easier. Also, I have too many ribbons on this. And then my hat, I wonder if I should flip it the other way. I do have stuffing in my hat, but that's also to kind of keep some of its shape. Okay, so I do have room for my other clothes. Let's see. And then if I buy stuff, I do also still have room for that. Oh, this I'll probably put in my carry-on. I'm bringing a cheap tripod, tabletop tripod, but I'll just stick that in here for now. But yeah, so those are the stuff. That's the stuff that I'm planning on taking to the Ren Fair for my outfits. So, because we're only doing the one day. We're flying in Friday, coming back on Sunday. So, but again, by the time this is up, I've already done it, and I'll have video of me getting ready and video of us at the Ren Fair. So I just flew in today.
from Vegas and took a shower because needed that rejuvenation. So, I mean, it was great. It was a lot of fun. Flying out was easy, besides the fact that we had a delay because of the fact that there was the thunder and lightning and all the rain in Vegas. So our flight didn't leave for like another hour and a half to 2 hours. It did take a while before we could take off because we couldn't land in the storm. So that was the only thing. I think that was a hiccup. We got there around 11ish. The day of. So we're going to the day of. So we stayed at the hotel. We got dressed. We took our time because it opened at 10, and we're like, yeah, we can leave at 10. We left I think it was close to 11 by the time we left. So we got there between 11:15 and 11:30 because it was about a 15-16 minute walk from the hotel to the park, to where the entrance was, because the entrance was on the other side. If you did not know this, the Vegas Red Fair is 31 acres. It is huge compared to the one in Irwindale, the one that we always go to. So that was very different. It was a lot of fun, though. I mean, I think the one complaint I will have is there was no mead. That's the whole reason I love going to the Red Fair besides the dressing up is mead. But yeah, flying was super easy. It was great. I would definitely go again. But if I go again, I would actually leave, I think, Thursday, spend a few hours on Friday to kind of see where everything's at, enjoy the nightlife part of it, because they have like a party that's like, they have a stage that does music and there's dancing, and I feel we didn't get to enjoy that as much as we should have on Saturday, which is fine. Yeah, so it was just, I mean, lots of seating, lots of places to sit and eat, and there's a lot of places to get drinks and stuff like that. Just fun. Our favorite thing when it's there is the meat pies, and they did have a meat pie place, and this time we tried a shepherd's pie. So stinking good. There was just something about that mashed potato on top with the ground beef. Oh, so good. I liked that they did have more cocktails, which was kind of interesting because I'm not used to that for the Irwindale one. The Irwindale one is just straight cans. Even though I think this last year they had beat boxes, so they're expanding, I think, on the drink end for Irwindale. But it was a lot of fun. So I'm not going to ramble too much longer. I'm just going to play the stuff we saw.